Good afternoon to all. In this part of this documentary, we will be talking about the male reproductive system. And after my report, there will be a short video interview that will be played in order to enhance this segment of the documentary, because I will be only talking about the major parts and outline of the said topic. So to start with my report, the male reproductive system's purpose is to produce, maintain, and transport the male reproductive cell, which is the sperm, together with the protective fluids called semen. Another is to discharge sperm within the female reproductive tract during copulation or intercourse. Lastly is to produce and secrete male sex hormones. So here are some of the major external parts of the male reproductive system. The first part is the penis, which is the organ used in sexual intercourse. Next part is the scrotum. It is a loose, pouch-like sac of skin that lies behind the penis. The next part is the testicles. They are responsible for making the primary male sex hormones, which is the testosterone. And lastly is the epididymis. It functions in the transport and storage of sperm. The entire male reproductive system depends on hormones, which are chemicals that stimulates and or regulates the activity of cells or organs. The primary hormones of the male reproductive system are the follicle stimulating hormone or FSH, luteinizing hormone LH, and testosterone. What are the functions of these hormones? The first one is the FSH, or the follicle stimulating hormone. It is necessary for the sperm production. The next hormone is the LH. Unlike the FSH, the LH stimulates the production of testosterone. So what is testosterone? Testosterone is important in the development of muscle mass and fat distribution. So in this case, I will give the camera to my group mates because they have a special guest which they have questions to be answered, and that guest is the father of one of our group mates. Thank you.